Hello and welcome to the Molmatix, and today we will discuss a very important topic, endoplasmic reticulum, from our cell biology series. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe to our channel. Before beginning to our lecture, let me know in the comment box what is sarcoplasmic reticulum. At the end of this lecture, what will you understand in this lecture? Number 1. What is endoplasmic reticulum and its definition? 2. What is endomembrane system? What is the morphology of endoplasmic reticulum? Then 4. What are the types of endoplasmic reticulum? 5. What is the rough endoplasmic reticulum? 6. What is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? And 7. What are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? What are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? First of all, we will see what is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membranous type of cell organelle and is made up of a broad network of the sac-like and the tube-like structures. There are two key things here to understand. Endoplasmic reticulum is a membranous structure and which is made up of the network of sac-like and the tube-like structures. In eukaryotic cells, there are two types of cell organelles. One are the membranous type of cell organelles and second are the non-membranous type of cell organelles. Membranous type of cell organelles include mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. And non-membranous type of cell organelles include ribosomes, cytoskeletons, etc. First of all, we will see what are the membranous type of cell organelles. Membranous type of cell organelles are made up of the phospholipid bilayer. These are the phospholipid molecules, and this is the choline portion of the molecule. This is the head region, which is hydrophilic in nature, and this is the polycarbon chain, which is hydrophobic in nature. And this phospholipid molecules arranges itself in such a way that these molecules form a sheet-like structure known as the phospholipid bilayer, and which is the biological membrane. In this diagram, you can see this is the membranous structure of the cell organelle endoplasmic reticulum, and this membranous structure is made up of the phospholipid bilayer. The endoplasmic reticulum, in this diagram you can see this is the folded region of endoplasmic reticulum, which has the ribosomes tucked over its surface, and this region is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum or the rough ER or RER. And this is the tube-like structure which has the smooth walls and known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the another type of cell organelle, membranous cell organelle known as the Golgi apparatus. Then endoplasmic reticulum is the part of endomembrane system. The endomembrane system is the coordination of various cell organelles. Endomembrane system includes following cell organelles. Number 1, endoplasmic reticulum. Number 2, Golgi complex, then vacuoles and lysosomes. These are the cell organelles which are associated with the endomembrane system. To understand endomembrane system, take an example of the protein synthesis. This is the ribosome molecule which synthesizes the polypeptide chain. Then this polypeptide chain is transferred towards the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the lumen of endoplasmic reticulum. Then this is the quality control center for the proteins or the polypeptide chains. This is the ER or endoplasmic reticulum. It checks for its quality of the polypeptide chain. Then these proteins are packed inside the vesicles of the membrane. These are the vesicles, and these are the polypeptide chains. Polypeptide chains. These chains or these protein molecules are sent towards the Golgi complex. This is the Golgi complex. Then this Golgi complex processes these protein molecules, transforms these protein molecules into the expected forms or the required forms, and then these desired protein molecules are sent towards the recipient cell organelles. This is the process of protein synthesis, and all these organelles coordinate with each other and form a system called as the endomembrane system, and endoplasmic reticulum is the part of that system. Then we will see morphology of the endoplasmic reticulum. Morphologically, endoplasmic reticulum may occur in the three forms, that is the lamellar form or the cisternae, then vesicular form or the vesicles, tubular form and the tubules. These are the three forms: cisternae, vesicles and tubules. We will see one by one. First of all, cisternae. Cisternae are the lamellar portions. These are the lamellar portions. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has the flat sheet-like structures. And closely packed sac-like structures, and this form is known as the lamellar form of the endoplasmic reticulum. Cisternae are elongated, flattened sac-like structures with diameter of 40 to 50 micrometer. In this diagram, you can see this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the cisternae. These are the lamellar portions of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these flat sac-like structures bear ribosome molecules over its surface. Then vesicles. Vesicles are the membrane-bound oval structures. These are made up of phospholipid bilayer. These are the phospholipid molecules. They form a bilayered structure known as the vesicles. Vesicles are abundant in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then we will see tubules. The tubules of endoplasmic reticulum are branched tube-like structures which are often found in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum or the SER. Tubules may undergo transformation during the fission or the fusion of membranes of the cytocavity network. In this diagram, you can see this is the portion of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which is made up of the network of tubes. These are the tubes. They form a network of tubes, and this network do not have any type of such ribosome molecules over its surface, and it looks smooth under a microscope and known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the form of endoplasmic reticulum, known as the tubular form of endoplasmic reticulum. Then we will see types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Number one, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In this diagram you can see ribosome molecules stuck over its surface, and these ribosome molecules make its surface rough, and under a microscope this portion of the endoplasmic reticulum looks like a rough surface, and hence known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not have such ribosomes attached over its surface, and hence known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, we will see rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is known as the granular endoplasmic reticulum. This is because under a microscope it looks like a granules. The rough endoplasmic reticulum usually shows ribosomes over its external surface, and it looks rough under a microscope, hence known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum comprises cisternae and few tubules. There are certain type of proteins present over ER membrane or the endoplasmic membrane. They are known as the riboporin. Riboporin is a special type of protein present over surface of the ER membrane that binds with the ribosome. This is the ribosome molecule, and this is the ER membrane, and this violet structure is the riboporin protein, which holds ribosome molecule over the ER membrane or the endoplasmic reticulum, surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. RER region or the rough endoplasmic reticulum region takes the basophilic stain, and this is because of its RNA content. When we see RER region under a microscope, it looks like a granular structure, and hence known as the granular endoplasmic reticulum. Then the occurrence or the presence of rough endoplasmic reticulum. In general, rough endoplasmic reticulum is present in the cells which are involved in the process of protein synthesis. That means cells which are highly exposed to the process of protein synthesis have highly developed rough endoplasmic reticulum. For example, pancreatic cells, liver cells, goblet cells, and plasma cells have the highly developed rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then we will see smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is the second type of endoplasmic reticulum or the second subdomain of the endoplasmic reticulum. In the absence of ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum appears smooth, and hence known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. SER or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also known as the agranular because it looks agranular under a microscope. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER is mostly present in the cells that are involved in the glycogen and the lipid synthesis or the lipid metabolism. For example, glycogen storing cells of the liver and the conduction fibers of the heart. They have highly evolved or the highly developed smooth endoplasmic reticulum. There is a special form of smooth endoplasmic reticulum known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum present in the muscle cells over the myofibrils. These are the myofibrils, and this is the sarcoplasmic reticulum that covers the myofibrils in circular manner, and which has the very important function in the myofibrils or the in muscle cells, that it stores calcium ions, which are these calcium ions are important for the contraction and the relaxation of the muscle cell. That means calcium ions for the contraction and relaxation. Of the muscle cells. Then at last we will see functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Number 1, protein synthesis. Proteins are synthesized by the ribosome molecules present over the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these are sent for the quality control in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then after the quality check of proteins or the polypeptide chains, these chains are sent towards the Golgi apparatus. Then Golgi apparatus processes these protein molecules for the further modifications. Then second function of the endoplasmic reticulum is the post-translational modifications of the proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum plays important role in the modification of polypeptide chains. Third function of the endoplasmic reticulum is the protein transport. These proteins are transported in the vesicles of the membranes. This is the polypeptide chain. This is the vesicle. This vesicle buds out from the endoplasmic reticulum and sent towards the Golgi apparatus. That means endoplasmic reticulum plays important role in the protein transport. Then lipid synthesis and lipid metabolism. Smooth endoplasmic reticulums are involved in the lipid synthesis and lipid metabolism. For example, steroidal synthesis or the steroid synthesis. There are various steroid hormones which are primarily synthesized inside the tubules of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And last, sixth function of the endoplasmic reticulum is the storage of calcium ions in the sarcoplasmic reticulum. These are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the short introduction to the endoplasmic reticulum. These are the references. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.